Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's October 31st and we're doing a little bit of cleanup in the garden. Let's take a look. Today we're going to start taking out some of our green bean plants. Now they're still blooming. We've got a wheelbarrow here, but they're not producing really well and they're starting to fade. And the best time to decide to take out a crop is when it starts to deteriorate or it starts to slow down, because what's going to happen is when this plant gets weak, and it is kind of cool, it's cooling down. It's probably in the 50s this morning, lower 50s or mid 50s. But anyway, when it starts to cool off in the fall and or even in the summertime, when it starts to heat up and the plant starts to show signs of stress or that it's trying to die, that's the best time to get it out. Because if you don't, what's going to happen is its immune system is going to be weaker. You're going to get some type of pest that's going to be able to come in, and it's going to be easier to attack it. And then you're going to have that pest in pretty good numbers in your garden. So once you pull out your crop, it's a possibility that that pest might go to another one. But even though you can see they're still blooming and such as that, don't use that as a sign to say, well, I want to get every bean I can get, because like I say, you're going to end up creating a situation in your garden. And plus, now this plot, once I clean this out, I can start putting in turnips, mustard greens, some of the fall crops that grow good, so I can better utilize this space. But anyway, I hope this little tip is useful to you. If you want to see more, of course, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up. Happy gardening.